In this tutorial, I'll show you how to publish Figma design to website. By the end, you'll have your design assets exported and your Figma prototype shared either as a direct link or embedded on your website, ready for viewers to access. First, open your Figma file. Make sure you're in the correct project and page so you're looking at the frames and elements you plan to publish. Next, select the frames, images, or components you want to publish. Click to select a single item, or select multiple items if you need to export several at once. You should see your selections highlighted on the canvas and listed in the Layers panel. Now go to the Design panel on the right-hand sidebar and scroll to the Export section. This is where you set up export options for your selected items. If you don't see export, confirm that something is selected on the canvas. Click the plus icon to add an export setting, then choose the format. Use PNG or JPG for images, SVG for icons or other vector elements, and PDF for documents. PNG supports transparency and crisp UI assets. JPG is better for photos or gradients where file size matters. SVG keeps vector art scalable and sharp at any size. PDF is ideal when you need a document-style output. Pick the format that fits each selected item. If you've selected different types of assets together, you can apply the format that makes sense for that group, then repeat the process for other types. Well, once your format is chosen, click Export to download assets. Figma will generate the files and prompt you to save them to your computer. Keep your save location organized so you can upload these assets to your website later. Exporting won't change anything in your Figma file. It only creates copies for the web. Part 2. Share as prototype or embed. Click the Share button in Figma. You'll find it at the top right of the interface. This opens the sharing panel for your file and its prototype. Enable anyone with the link can view or comment. This makes your prototype accessible without requiring a Figma account for basic viewing or feedback. Confirm the setting is applied so the link works for your audience. Copy the Figma prototype link. Use the Copy Link button in the Share panel. This link opens the interactive prototype in a browser, letting viewers click through your flows exactly as you designed them. Keep this link handy for your website or any place you want to share your design. Embed in your website using an iframe or link directly to it. To embed, place the iframe code in your page's HTML where you want the live prototype to appear. This displays the interactive prototype right on your site. If you prefer a simpler approach, link directly to the prototype by adding the copied URL to a button or text link. Linking opens the prototype in a new tab, while embedding keeps it within your page. Choose the option that fits your site and audience. At this point, your assets are exported for the web, and your Figma prototype is published through a shareable link or an on-page embed. Your Figma design is now live and accessible from your website. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.